Wow, we're celebrating National Manufacturing Day right here in the Fort Bend County area and the HCC Stafford Campus in the Center for Advanced Manufacturing building right here at the Stafford Campus. And we're here with the Central Katy Fort Bend Chamber of Commerce, with the Lamar Consolidated School District high school students. Over 300 students are here today, touring the facilities, the classrooms, and learning about different careers that are in high demand in this county.
Today, HCC has a manufacturing fair, and a lot of people don't know that Frito-Lay, we don't just put the chips at the store or in the vending machines, right? We actually have manufacturing facilities, and we have all types of employee positions. So from to make the product, and then mechanics and shipping the product. So we do a lot of things. So we came to let people know that we're really close and that we are always hiring.
Yeah, so we worked very closely with the Central Fort Bend Chamber, who actually helped to put all of this together today by getting sponsors, and they paid for our buses to get here, as well as lunches that we're having for the kids. And we worked together to talk about what our students are learning in their classes. And they recommended HCC, the manufacturing program, so students could come and learn about the post-secondary opportunities that they have here.
We are blessed to have a partner like HCC. We move this program around to different higher education facilities every year, and this has been an amazing experience working with Alberto and his team here and Dr. Barillo. The Advanced Manufacturing Center is such a treasure in Fort Bend County, and to be able to show that to the 237 students from Lamar Consolidated here, and just show them opportunities for education close to home.